Kami guys, punta kami dito sa cafeteria nila dito. Kain kami ng burger, nakakabago din, tsaka wala kaming time magluto. Maganda siya, maganda yung place nila. Guys, may Rain and Steven again, mga haggard look na kami, hindi pa rin kami tapos mag-ayos. Napagod na kami, kaya kain kami rito sa labas. What do you call this restaurant? It's in Il Jerby. Squammy couple.
Exhausted, so much work going on in the house. My tooth is aching, but it's good. No more blood.
Ito in order naming iced tea guys. Sa akin yung peach. For him is lemon tea. Lemon iced tea. While waiting for our order, someone is so exhausted. Maganda yung place nila, oh. Ayan. Para ka lang nasa bahay. Ang sarap ng feeling. Someone is thinking about the idea.
Yes, decoration for the house. I'm looking at this picture from us, like this is how I would like.
Ito na yung appetizer that we order. They called it here is scampi. How does it taste?
Good.
Good? What's that? What's inside of it?
Fish.
Fish?
It's a scampi.
Oh.
That's what the fish is called, scampi.
I never heard of it. Scampi?
It smells like crab.
Yeah, it smells nice, no? It smells nice. I will try it. I will try this scampi. This one. They said it's scampi. Tastes good. It's just like a chicken nugget, but it's a fish. Tastes good.
It resembles crab, but it's not as strong as crab, but resembles it.
Maybe it's better if we dip it on the mayonnaise. The one in mayonnaise.
Yeah, the one that says mayonnaise.
Gawin natin yung dip sa mayonnaise kung anong lasa. Tastes good. Let's try, baby. You want to try it with mayonnaise? No. What do you call this? This squammy couple gets hungry. We're hungry. Their mayonnaise tastes good, no? Their mayonnaise tastes good.
This is the brand Harrison.
Sarap siya. Harrison. Harrison Finest Mayonnaise. Talagang dinilaan ko daw siya. Sarap siya guys, delicious. Ito na guys yung order ni Steven. Chicken filet burger. Ako naman is beef burger. Yan ang food namin ngayon. Ang cute ang lagayan nila ng utensil. O diba, nasimot namin yung simot sarap. Cute ang lagayan nila ng utensil. Baby, say hi.
Hi. Hi guys. I'm hungry.
Guys, sobrang gutom na kami. Gutom much. But I can feel now when we're eating because I'm the one who's holding the phone. Kakain muna kami guys. Later ulit. Thank you for watching. Happy Friday 13th!
Like and subscribe.
Kain tayo guys. Nilapag ko yung phone sa lamesa. Kaya ang lapit-lapit niya. Kasi wala kami holder. Okay. Matcha. Is it good, no?
No, yeah, it's stop.
Gutom na si Inday.
I still can't eat on the side.
You can eat,
Only on this one.
but the chicken is nice. No? Nice.
Delicious.
Ugali ko yung ganito, yo. How can I eat that big burger, baby? Alright. Yummy.
If you think that burger's big, that Angus one would have been double.
But hindi tayo order this one. Kain tayo, guys. I don't know to eat the burger that was stuck on tissue holder.
What? Like this?
I can't hold it. It will drop. Ang laki eh. Huh?
Well, you missed the burger.
What?
You got the bun, you got the tomato, but you missed the burger. Baby, look, that's why it drops. Hold it like this, look.
I can. I need someone to hold in the bottom.
You still missed the burger.
Ang laki eh. It's a big burger. I need to press it. You almost finished, I'm just stopping it.
Well, at least you got your burger that time.
You want to try?
I'll try it, but let me finish it.
I think it's better or
Maybe better off.
the chicken fillet, yeah. Yung tomato rice, ang laki. Maybe can you put some mayonnaise inside?
You want me to put mayonnaise inside the burger?
Yeah.
Or you're asking me can do?
Oh,
Last one.
there's a one.
Last mayonnaise. Whereabouts? Do you want it to spread on the burger?
Yeah. Because it's so dry. Thank you. Sarap na guys. It's hard to eat the big burger. I find it hard.
Well, you're doing good if you're halfway through.
Look, they were dropping it. That's why I need to put here.
Because you hold your hand with one at the back and one at the side.
Naubos ko rin ba? I can finish it. Because sometimes I can finish the one order of burger. But now I'm too hungry. Why is it there in the serving chips and the salad?
salad. Salad's in a bowl.
I can drink because the one my glass of
Fine. Flies.
my drink this is the one that I used to put the phone on the earth. How about this one? I know. Maybe this one will do.
Soon find out. Movie drink. See what happens.
Pinalit na ako guys ng base, ng small base nila para makainom ako. Oh, it's crush na po. Ang sarap. I said sarap. You're full?
I'm nearly there. It's aggravating my tooth.
Now?
But not the food touching it, it was my jaw. Is at the back. Like that.
Later before you sleep, you need to take the medicine.
Yeah.
No more mayonnaise.
Oh, look. You went for 4 packets.
Naubos ko yung mayonnaise nila guys. Sarap ah. I'm very good with the burger now because I finished it. Then later you wish them to eat again.
Huh?
Your tooth.
Mm-hmm.
Last bit.
But what you guys don't see is all the chips you got left on that plate.
Huh?
All the chips.
What?
All the chips you got left.
Yes, but
I said last bit. I said they
cup
can't see the
burger.
chips.
Cup burger, but you still have a chip, oh.
Yeah, the burger was the main bit. The chips were just like the sides. But don't forget, we had the scampi before as well.
I'm full na, but I need to pick the price.
And much more bit of lettuce.
Why always touch your head?
Because it's itchy.
These are not like.
No, it's itchy. I'm sweating. It's itchy. And plus the hair is too long now. It's annoying. When he gets to this length, he starts going weird where you think, look, you can just see the hairline there, nothing there. But those little bits really itch. As they're saying, Games of Thrones, winter is coming.
Yes, winter is coming. If you pull up, don't eat na. May price pa kasi ako guys eh. Oh. Ayan pa yung price ko eh. Sa kanya naubos na eh. But I need to finish it. But no more ketchup, no more
No more mayonnaise. No.
only ketchup.
I've never seen you eat so much ketchup and mayonnaise in my life.
What?
I've never seen you eat so much ketchup and mayonnaise. When we're at home, if we don't eat this much ketchup
No, because
and mayonnaise.
I like the taste of the mayonnaise.
I think they sell it in, but they sell this in boxes.
Harrison.
Yeah, no, I mean, like, in chains, won't be in a bottle, it'll be in packets.
And then this one,
It'll be a box of 100.
their ketchup is not that sour. Like,
No, it's not. It's because this is vinegar based. This one.
because hindi ako may ketchup.
Yeah, vinegar, look. It's vinegar based, this one. The other one is just pure, like, for example, the Heinz.
That's why.
It's more fresh tomato, ground down.
Because may stomach eh. Harap din tong ketchup nilang Harrison.
But don't forget the vinegar in these is worth preserve. That's
The
why.
taste tastes different eh.
Yeah, these are preserved. Imagine how long these look. These have got until December 2020. And then you go look at the bottle of the HP sauce or the Heinz ketchup we got. And it said, you only get that 6 months, right? But these you buy in a box of 100.
How much?
You get a box of 100, I don't know how much. You've got to go to like the cash and carry.
Because the ketchup that we have is all sour on the stomach.
I like the ketchup we've got.
That's why always trigger your acid. No?
Yeah.
If you have liver, you can eat too much salt, ketchup, tomato. No, you can't.
Oh, that's nice as well.
Yeah.
I think I prefer the peach than the lemon, but the lemon is too fun.
The lemon, how does it taste?
Like lemon.
Like lemon only.
Yeah, lemon tea. Come on, you're almost done.
Wait. I'm full but I don't want to throw the food eh. You throw a lot of food rather than... But the french fries is good also, no?
Yeah,
It's like the Burger King.
because they're deep fried. The McDonald's ones and that, they're just overcooked. Burger
Sabi
King.
mo ano niya, at maliliit. The french fries. Tastes like Burger King.
Something to do with the way they cook them.
In McDonald's, their french fries is
But they're thinner, yeah.
They were
But
thin.
that's what they're known for. McDonald's, if you see like the documentaries in America, they pride themselves on having those thin French fries. That's why they're French fries. French fries are thin. These are chips. These are
How
sizes.
different?
These are chips, the ones are French fries. French fries are thin.
Yes, before when I first heard of chips, they call it chips. I'm looking for the chip, for the
Crisps.
crisps.
You call crisps
Yeah,
chips.
because we usually call it French fries. But when the first time I heard it, I said, my colleague said, I've ordered chips. Where's the chips? It's here.
You're looking for Doritos and it was a
Yeah.
chip.
At last,
Come on, last one, come on, come on.
at last. Yes,
Completed.
I'm done.
Task over.
Naubos
One
ko
less
siya, guys.
one less thing to worry about until tomorrow now. What to eat?
Naubos ko siya, guys, sa gutom ko. Ayan, ubos ko. Simot sarap. Thank you for watching. See you next video.